guys, what's up and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Jeez. So today, I am super excited. Y'all, oh my gosh, I don't know what to do anymore. We're just making a confetti slime using clear glue, this, and this. I don't know what they're called anymore. Activator, confetti, activator, glitter, and clear glue. So let's pour the clear glue in our bowl here. Ow. Okay, whoa. I think that's a little bit too much. I know that seems like a little bit, but that's a lot. Probably stop right there. Look, I'm going to show you. Oh, that was close. Okay, time to use the glitter. Because it's like better doing the glitter than just... Ooh, that's pretty. Oh my gosh. I almost used the whole thing. Dude. Wait, I gotta make a shirt about this. Oh my gosh. I love making shorts now. They're so fun. So I'm gonna show y'all, like, look at that. That is a glitter explosion. Definitely a glitter. Okay, not okay. Okay, I'm about to make it. See, I'm about to make the short. So let's go. Oh my gosh, you guys! Look at the slime I made. Yeah, it's a glitter explosion. I used half of this thing. Oh gosh. Okay, I just created it. And let's post it. Oh my gosh, you guys. We're gonna do glitter explosion. Glitter explosion. What? It was a glitter explosion. Okay, my short is now uploading. That's gonna take a minute. Oh gosh. Yeah. Oh gosh, that hurts my head. Like guys, look at the slime. When I look at it and shake it, it's so weird. Okay, now I think it's time to mix it. Let me show you a better look. Yeah. Okay, let's mix it up. I think the reason clear glue is good, but I think the reason it gets hard is because I put too much glitter and stuff into it. And probably because it's a really thick kind of glue. No, I'm not doing this today. I am not doing this today. I am not having a black slime. Are you crazy? Look Look, it literally looks black. It doesn't even look clear anymore. I think I'm gonna just call this a glitter explosion video, because this was a glitter explosion. Just put a lot of activator into that. Oh gosh, you guys. Glitter. There's glitter in my mouth. I told you not to spin. No, I did not tell it not to spin. Okay. I'm almost out of this. Oh, it sounds. This is hard. I mean, like, no. This is easy making slime, but it's hard mixing it. Because, like, your arm gets so tired and worn out. Okay, I'm going to put a little bit of glow in the dark in there. Let me find it. I can't find the glow in the dark liquid. I need it though. We're gonna actually take this and just pour it. Because I want the slime to be glow in the dark. So I put just a touch to it. But I don't want it. Oh, it gives it more glitter. It's so pretty, you guys. Look at it. Okay, I'm gonna put some more. Whoa, that's a lot. I don't want like my slime to turn green just from the activator. Come on. Oh gosh, you guys, come on. This is hard. I made a smiley face, kind of. Ah, I hate coughing. As much as I try to hold it in, it will not. Oh guys. I was like to say, oh guys. I said, oh gosh, instead. It's just a glob of this stuff. It's not mixed in, it's just like slime. So I guess it's time to mix it now with just my hands, since I already got my hands in there. Shouldn't have done it with my other hand, but the texture. Look at my fingers. Texture, look at my fingers. I'm not a very good singer. Let's mix it up. Ew, this is gross. Oh gosh. Yeah, I think this is a disco ball slime. Hey guys, should I call it the disco ball slime or the glitter explosion slime? It looks like a disco ball, but it has a lot of glitter in it. But when it hits the light, it likes it to... But yes, there's a lot of glitter in this, and I didn't mean to put this much, but... Like people always say, there's never too much glitter in the world. My gosh, you guys. Oh, gosh. Okay, I'm tired, you guys. I literally just woke up. I wake up earlier. It's just like I stayed up pretty late looking at all of my videos and trying to get ideas from stuff, and yeah. That's why I make my videos kind of late. I make my videos kind of late, but whatever. My arm hurts, you guys. But my hand is a glitter explosion. I think my hand's not as glittery anymore. I was about to say, I think my hand's more glittery than the slime, but I changed my mind. The slime is way glitterier than my hand. Oh my gosh, you guys. Why? Just why? Okay, I think this is gonna have to go on till part 2. Yeah, you guys. I think this is gonna have to go to part 2. Yep. Okay. Well, I hope you like, subscribe, and turn those post notifications. And I hope I get this glitter all off my hand. So, I'll show you part 2, and maybe the slime will be better. Bye!